Welcome back. In this question, I will discuss the various cloud component. So, if you attend the interview, interviewer will ask you, can you explain the various component of the compute, various component of the storage, networking, security, database, integration, DevOps. So if you are working into the data engineering or the data analytics or the AI engineer, you should have very strong into the various component knowledge. Like if you talk about the compute, what component available for the basically in AWS, what component is available into the cloud, Azure or GCP. So we'll explain in the very detail, not limited to this only. I will explain the more various component other as well. So let's start with the compute. Basically, I have created this periodic table, and if you go to the periodic table in the detail, you never miss or you never got a chance to not able to answer the question in the interview related to this cloud area. Okay, so basically the let me zoom out. Okay, so you have some or give me zoom in. So better you have some. So I have put it this into the various color. So first understand with the various of the compute. Okay, so compute we have the EC2, we have SRV serverless, EC2 virtual machine. We also have CNT, Kubernetes. So all these are belong to the compute. Next is coming to the storage. Okay, storage is nothing but where you store any type of the file, any type of the databases, all these things. So we have the object storage, we have the block storage, we have the field file storage, all these things. And coming to the next, we have so now you have we have KMS basically related to security, web firewall, IAM, identity access. Now we have the networking related component is DNS and basically load balancing, subnet, virtual private cloud. For the storage databases, we have the relational NoSQL DB data warehouse, streaming data. For the pipeline, we have ETL, we have the event bus, we have the MSG, API gateway, all these things. Blue color you can see we have DevOps and deployment. We have CI/CD, IAC, REG container registry, deploy strategy, all these things. We also have the if you talk about the monitoring and observability, scaling performance, governance compliance, we have the resource tagging, CMP compliance, audit log, policy optimization. We have, you can see, scaling and performance related. We have the optimization, caching, CDN, auto scaling. So these all component we have related to the in the cloud architecture. So we can use anyone whatever we have required, and basically we can clear the interview as well. So this is the very basic. You can also explore more into the detail dedicated for the particular whatever the cloud is using. So thank you so much. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.